The atomic bomb that fell on Nagasaki caused destruction equivalent to 21,000 tons of TNT. As a result of this bomb, 80,000 people died, and people were affected up to a diameter of approximately 3.2 kilometers. This bomb was 3.26 meters long, 1.56 meters in diameter, and weighed 4,670 kilos. Now, if a hydrogen bomb of the same size were used, how much destruction could it cause? What is the difference between a hydrogen bomb and an atomic bomb, and how do they work? Let's find out in this video. Atomic bomb, A bomb, uses nuclear fission, where heavy atomic nuclei like uranium or plutonium split into smaller parts, releasing energy. It relies solely on this fission process to create an explosion. This process is typically initiated when the nucleus absorbs a neutron, making it unstable and causing it to break apart. Along with the smaller nuclei, the reaction releases a significant amount of energy, additional neutrons, and gamma radiation. Hydrogen bomb, H-bomb, is more advanced and uses a combination of fission and fusion. The fusion process involves combining light hydrogen isotopes, deuterium and tritium, under extreme heat and pressure, which releases significantly more energy than fission alone. A hydrogen bomb starts with a fission explosion that triggers the fusion reaction, resulting in a much larger blast, often measured in megatons, millions of tons of TNT, up to 1,000 times more powerful than atomic bombs. Triggering fusion. The hydrogen bomb starts with a fission explosion, the primary stage, which creates the extreme temperatures and pressures necessary to initiate fusion in the secondary stage. Without the immense energy from this initial fission reaction, the fusion of hydrogen isotopes, deuterium and tritium, would not occur. The fusion reaction itself produces a large number of extremely energetic neutrons. These high-energy neutrons can then induce further fission in surrounding materials, such as the bomb's tamper or casing, which is made of uranium Su-30S, which would not be easily fissioned by the lower energy neutrons from the initial fission stage. This secondary fission process releases even more energy, often more than the fusion stage itself, and significantly increases the bomb's total explosive power. In summary, fission not only starts the fusion reaction in a hydrogen bomb, but also benefits from the fusion-produced neutrons to cause additional fission, greatly amplifying the overall energy yield of the weapon. The lighter weight of hydrogen bombs positively affects missile range because a lighter warhead reduces the overall payload mass the missile must carry. This allows the missile to travel farther and faster, improving its range and flight performance. For example, smaller and lighter hydrogen warheads like the U.S. Su-88 enable more warheads to be fitted on a single missile, KYIV, and enhance the missile's speed and range. In essence, because hydrogen bombs are more compact and lighter than atomic bombs, missiles can carry them over longer distances without sacrificing speed or requiring significantly more fuel, thus extending their effective range. The bombs dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki in 1945 were atomic bombs, with yields around 10,000 kilotons of TNT equivalent. And a hydrogen bomb often measured in megatons, millions of tons of TNT, up to 1,000 times more powerful than atomic bombs. What would have happened if hydrogen bombs were dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki instead of atomic bombs? Share your thoughts in the comments.